Where I live, nobody else rides on a scooter. I get a lot of questions on my setup. The bike itself is actually a Honda NSS300 Forza. It can go up to 75, 80 miles an hour. I've actually had it like, I guess, 85 going downhill a little bit. It gets like anywhere from 60 to 80 miles per gallon, depending on how you ride it. I have it equipped with a Packir food delivery bag. I got it off Amazon. It's like 120 bucks, and they have two different options. I bought the 20-inch bag just specifically because I know there's some pizza places that I live by that have pretty big pizza boxes. I always keep a couple towels in here just to help separate the drinks. You got a cup holder here that is really nice. It's velcroed to the side. Just pop your drink in. If it's a large cup, I'll take one of these rags and stick it in the side so that the cup has a tighter fit. Then I'll take like this towel and cover it up so that the food can sit over here. Now this bag does have another separating divider here if you want to use that, but I have yet to use it. I use a Shoei RF-SR. I have it equipped with a Cardo Freecom 4X. It can listen to music while I'm riding around, answer phone calls. It just makes things a lot safer. So in terms of a phone mount, I bought the QuadLock system. I also bought the wireless charging mount for this, so that as soon as I get on the scooter and I twist it on, my phone's charging. Your phone's your lifeline while you're doing this. I have that powered with just a 12-volt USB port on the bike. It's actually powered by a switch, so it doesn't drain your battery when it's off, as long as you shut the switch off. It also has a voltmeter on it, so it tells you if your battery's low. When you want to get on the bike, line it up, twist it, you're good to go. Turn this on, there's your power, phone's charging. When you want to pop it off, twist, pop. And then you're on to your delivery.